So my PlayStation's been making a lot of noise. As you can see, the disc is perfect. No scratches on it, no warping, absolutely perfect. So I just turned on my PlayStation 4 and I'm about to put the disc into the system. The console is not touching anything else, and it's on a flat glass surface. Like there's no movement or anything. It's flat. So all I'm doing is putting the disc into the system, and there it goes. I just bought this yesterday. It's straight out of the box, and I got freaked out as soon as I heard this noise. Um, it can be. I don't think a normal system can be this loud. The PlayStation is on its side. I mean, on its whatever back. Even if I move it to vertical, it still makes noise.